Sorry, I had to do a quick change. I had to change the camera so I could start using the phone. Because I need to pair it to the phone, obviously. So, let's do this. I've already paired the pen. So, you just have to open it up, and that's it. It's gonna start pairing immediately. Let's see if it does it. Okay. It's looking for the pen. Connect. That's it. It's now connected. Let's do the first trial. Okay. It's on. Test number 1. Almost instantly. This is just amazing. Let's change the color to red. Let's change it to green, to blue, and black again. Good. Now let's erase everything we have here. Okay. And let's do, oh, we have more colors over here. Just to erase this part, you just have to hit the center. But if you want to erase it, just turn it off and it doesn't erase. But if you turn it on, it erases everything instantly. Okay, let's try another color. Let's try purple. And let's do it, yeah. Okay, let's try it with a marker. Let's try purple also. Okay, this is like a water-based marker. Okay, let's try it with another color. This is like turquoise, I think it is. Green. But this is another green. Let's see. Oh no, it's the same green. Let's try yellow. Oh, it's like a mustard yellow. Orange. Okay, and we already saw red. Let's erase this. Let's see if we have a bigger one. Yes, we do. Oh, we can empty it. Okay, sure, I don't care. We're just trying it out. Okay, we can also record what we're doing. When we're doing it, we can change the background. Okay, nice. The amazing thing about this is you can also, it also comes with a notebook. You don't have to specifically write on this one. Oh, nice. It has a whiteboard on the back. Awesome. I didn't even see that. Nice. You can also write on the notebook that comes with it. Okay. It is an almost normal notebook. You can see it over here. But it has some micro dotting embedded on it. It's like really, really small dots that the camera uses it over here. The camera uses to catch what you're writing. Let's try it out. Okay, let's put this one on the top over here and this one here. Let's change the tip from the plastic one to the pen. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, let's use the regular one, the black. Okay, you can see it. Let me put it over here. You can see it better. You can turn it around. You can use it from them. Let me see. Yeah, you can almost use it from every angle and it works. And you're writing with a pen on a piece of paper and it's showing up on your phone. That is just mind-blowing. This is simply the best thing I've seen so far in terms of writing software and everything like that, and anything like that.
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. And remember to hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching.